If your Google ads are getting expensive but conversion are not increasing, so you don't have a traffic problem. You have a landing page problem. Today I will show you how dedicated landing page unlock profitable scaling. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today my topic is dedicated landing page for Google Ads scaling. One of the biggest differences between beginner and high profit advertiser. If you want higher quality score, lower CPC, high conversion rate, and easier scaling, so this video is must watch. Let's dive in. So I can, firstly, I'm saying what is a dedicated landing page? A dedicated landing page is a phase built for especially for one ad campaign, one ad group, or one audience. It is not your home page. Okay. So the main purpose is to maximize conversion rate and quality score by perfectly matching keyword intent, ad matches, offer, audience, pain point. Think of it like this. Uh, your home page is like as like a general store, okay, and your dedicated landing page as like laser targeted sales machine, okay. So why dedicated pages are critical for scaling? The reality is when we scale Google Ads, traffic becomes more expensive. The only way to stay profitable is to improve conversion efficiency. Without a dedicated phase, you face a lower quality score, higher CPC, lower conversion rate, poor scaling selling. But with a dedicated phase, higher quality score, lower CPC, higher CBR, higher ROAS, easier budget scaling. So remember this rule always. Traffic scaling without landing page optimization, you're burning your money faster. Okay. So now, what is the psychology of high converting phases? What is the psychology? Every winning landing phases aligns four critical elements, just four. Okay. So our first one is intent match. In here, the user gets exactly what they searched. Second one is message match. Your headline mirrors the head. Third one is trust building. You reduce receive risk. And second one is friction removal. You make conversion easy. Okay. If even one of these breaks, conversion drops. Now I will discuss the dedicated landing page structure. What is the structure of a dedicated landing page? Okay. So this is the exact structure used in scaling accounts. In here, first above the full section. In here, full you can see in here full section. Okay. So this is most important topic. In here, this section decide bounce or stay. So in here you must include headline, but it obviously keyword aligned as like 20, 24/7 emergency plumbing service in Dhaka. In here 24/7 emergency plumbing service with location. So it's a keyword. Also it's aligned as a H1 headline. Okay. And then must include sub headline. In here you add your business value pro. Okay. Then you can use a primary CTA, okay, as like a book emergency service now. And then you can use also a hero image or video as like this before after, okay. And also you can use some trust indicator, 5-star rating, 20 plus year experience as like. So for example, parents of bed parents use services plumbing service, okay. So welcome to your plumbing company. It's a bad headline, okay. So what is the good headline? Good headline is 24/7 emergency plumbing service in Dhaka Arabian 30 minute. So why this wins? Because it's the mirror search engine. Also in here location specific, in here clear promise, and also creates urgency. Okay. So number two is the structure of dedicated landing page. Number two is problem solution. So so in here what can I do? মানে, So in here show the user you understand their pain. Example, um, trust vibe flooding your home. Home, just you can ask a question. Hesitate. Every minute of delay can cause expensive water damage. Solution: our certified emergency plumbers arrive within 30 minutes. So this is the solution. So in problem section, you always mention the problem and then mention the solution. Our certified emergency plumbers has arrived within 30 minutes. Then add a benefit option as like stop the leak fast and protect your home. Okay. Then you can also add social. You can must be add social proof section. It's a trust multiplier. Okay. Scaling fails without trust. So, high performing proof types. What is the high performing proof types? As like Google reviews, before and after image in here, before and after image, then case studies, then client logos, testimonials with real photos, trust badges, etc., etc., etc. So always put at least one trust element above the fold. It must. If in fold above, always put at least one trust element. Okay. Then the structure of dedicated landing page. Number four is offer section. So it's conversion engine. Your offer must be clear, specific, and risk reduced and time sensitive. Okay. So example, contact us today. It's a weak offer. But a strong offer is get a free plumbing inspection worth $1,000 today only. Okay. Now that's attract the audience. That's attract the customer. Okay. Then the five part is objection handling section. When we scale, objection kill conversion. Common objection is price, trust, time, complexity, risk. So answer them before user asks. How fast? Example as like FAQ as like how fast can you arrive? Are you plumber certified? Do you offer warranty? Is there any hidden fee? Okay, everything must clear. Okay, then you can use a strong CTA section. So your city should be as like action driven and benefit focused, also visually prominent and repeated multiple times. CTA example. mm, don't use submit like here. Use book emergency service now as like book emergency service now. Get my free course. Okay. Get my free course. Fix my plumbing today. Okay. As like this. Then, what is the advanced optimization for scaling? So, firstly, message mesh optimization. So, what is this? As like, this process is keyword to add then to landing page. Okay. So for example, um, uh, audience search by running shoes for flat feet. So you can use headline best running shoes for flat feet 2025 guide, and also an in landing headline top running shoes for flat feet. So this is the expert fix result. So what is the result? Result is higher quality score and lower CPC. Okay. And also you can use dynamic keyword insertion. So you can personalize headlines dynamically. Example, get, then you can use keyword in here professional plumbing service today. Okay. And also speed optimization. Page speed directly impacts conversion rate and quality score. So always target your mobile load speed under 2.5 seconds, desktop speed under 2 seconds. Okay. And then you will focus must mobile first design because mm, more of the audience come from only more device of mobile. Okay, that's why always because mobile traffic is like 70 to 90%. So your face must be thumb friendly, fast loading, short sections, sticky CTA. Okay, and also you have to be must select a single goal role, one phase one goal. Don't add block things, add full navigation menu, add multiple offers. Do always remove header navigation and focus on one conversion and guide user step by step. Okay. And in section 6, when to create separate phases, create a new dedicated phases when you have different keyword intent, different audience, different location, different offer, different price tier. Okay, I think you can understand. Example as like emergency plumbing, so you can create a phase of emergency page. Drain cleaning, you can create a drain page. Water heater repair, you can create a heater page. So this is how large accounts scale profitably. Okay. So this section 7 is common landing page mistakes. What is the common mistakes of landing page? So always avoid these mistakes. Okay. Sending ads to homepage, slow mobile speed, weak headline, too many CTRs, no trust proof, long boarding text, hidden pricing, from too long to critical, not customer friendly, no above the fold CTA. So if you fix just this, performance often jumps fast. Okay. So if you want to scale Google as profitably, stop focusing only on traffic. Start optimizing your landing page because winner don't just buy traffic, they convert it better. So if this helped you, like the video and comment landing or from my video description, you can message me in my social media. In here I can see you whole PDF. And also if this video is helpful for you, you, you subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks. uh Next topic will be also Google's optimization topic, so must see this video. Okay, and stay with me, and in comment section you will share your opinion. Is this video is helpful for you or not? Okay, thanks for everything, for seeing this video.